there, welcome back. Let me start by asking 3 questions. Just answer with a simple yes or no. 1. Are you being called upon to give a presentation in the next few days or weeks? 2. Are you bored with these traditional static slides or bullet points? 3. Do you want to do something out of the world and thrill everyone around you? If you have answered yes to any of these questions, then look no further. I'm Chandana, and in this video, we will be looking at a 7-step formula to structure your presentation. Everyone likes listening to stories because they're relatable. Agreed? Presenting your idea or concept in the form of a story will help keep your audience engaged until the very end. And for this, we will be using Prezi, a presentation software to help bring your ideas to life. I have not one, but 2 examples to prove this. The first one is a more common or a general topic, and the next one is more towards the technical side. So without any delay, let's take a look at the first Prezi I have in store for you.
Here is Sanvi, who wants to start a business selling healthy candies. And her first step is obviously to get an investor, her dad, on board so that she can kickstart her business. Her goal is to get that sparkling bicycle before her birthday. To pitch her idea and seal the deal, she has decided to take the Prezi route. Always start your presentation with an attention-grabbing hook. It can be a real-life incident, an imaginary scenario, thought-provoking quote, or a question. Here, I have created an imaginary scenario with the help of some simple questions like: everyone, irrespective of their age, loves candy. And what if you could grab a candy and eat it without any regrets? Or what if you can have one that has no sugar? Now, allow your audience to ponder over this. Bubble up that curiosity by saying something like, "Doesn't it all sound like a dream come true? But wait, it really is turning out to be true. Drum roll, please. Energy bites. Protein with every bite." So that's how you plant the idea in their mind. Next step is to give them more details about the idea itself. Here, I'm showcasing the ingredients to help them understand how candies can be made healthy. And yes, there is mommy's secret ingredient too. Just adding 10 ml of it would do the trick. If you can take a guess at what that secret ingredient can be, feel free to give a shout out in the comment section. Using animation and zoom in such cases keeps the audience engaged and might even bring a smile to their faces. As for the next step, talk about the benefits. If possible, these should cover any challenges that you have mentioned so far. Something like, "Okay, if that didn't convince you yet for investing, more is coming." You may be thinking, why would anyone want energy bites? But I say, why wouldn't anyone? Because, and just proceed with whatever points you have. Our brain prefers visuals to words, so it is always a good practice to talk your ideas out and have related images on the slides rather than hundreds of words. Frankly, nobody reads them, and we all know that. Finally, finish your presentation with a closing bang. Even better if you can link it with your opening hook. Here, just to ensure the audience don't lose interest, I've kept the store hidden until the time is right and created some anticipation by showing that something's cooking and then revealing that mom is already in to support Sanvi, just to make it all the more impactful.
So are you in? Can I count you as an investor? Don't worry, I was just kidding. Anyways, jokes apart. The reason I chose this type of story is because I wanted to show that Prezi is not just for working professionals, but for anyone who want to inspire, educate, motivate, inform, or persuade their audience. So quickly, let's look at one last Prezi, which is more towards the technical side, as I've already mentioned. And because I'm into software, we will be pitching the idea of using Selenium for automating web application tests to our clients. Let's take a moment to think about our audience here. Most of the clients don't really look deep into the technicality of the tool you're introducing, but the cost and the returns involved. It's more about the numbers.
As discussed earlier, I repeat, always start with a wow moment or a why question. Give a brief background of the challenges or issues we are facing without automation. Allow the clients to ponder over this. This should also serve as an introduction to the presentation. Then, bring in the solution, Selenium. Highlight 2 to 3 key points. Free is the word of the day, as clients are concerned about money and numbers. You might again see a smile on their faces now. Give a very brief overview of the Selenium suite, covering each tool for a minute or so. Remember not to sound too technical and avoid jargon as much as possible. Talk about the advantages, again, keeping the content as engaging as possible. This is the time to summarize takeaways, if any, and finishing the presentation with a closing bang. You can use handouts, anecdotes, demos, audio or video effects, mnemonics, slogans, best if you can link it with the opening hook. Last but not the least, questions. Take time to clarify doubts or concerns that might arise among your clients and make sure that they leave the room with a happy face. So this is the presentation software we were talking about all this time, Prezi. You will have to sign up to use it. One thing that is not very obvious here is that you can choose the basic plan that's free instead of plus. A word of caution if you're trying out the free trial for any of these other paid plans, because once the trial ends, you will be charged for the entire year, which is a hefty $180 for the plus and not on a monthly basis. So make sure you unsubscribe before your trial ends if paid plans are not for you. So once you log in, you can choose from one of these templates based on the category or colors. Or you could even create one from scratch as I did. You could choose a plain or a colored background or from images that Prezi is giving you. These circular ones are called topics. We can add subtopics as well. So go with a shape that fits your concept. Then you have a few colors and fonts to go with them. Everything here is pretty much self-explanatory except for maybe the animation and zooming part. I will provide some great tutorials by Prezi themselves which will guide you in creating your first presentation. If you would like me to make a video on how to effectively use Prezi, then let me know in the comment section.
I highly recommend watching TED Talks, and I have linked to 2 of my favorite talks in the description box below, along with some other useful information. So make sure you check them out. If you follow most of what I've mentioned in this video, you are sure to leave your mark behind. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. With that, this is Chandana signing off. Stay happy and healthy. Talk to you all soon.